What is the snowball method and does it really work? We're going to show you a real-world example of the snowball method of debt payoff. We're going to show you exactly how you can do the same analysis for your situation, and it only takes a couple of minutes. But first, what exactly is the snowball method of paying off debt? The snowball method is where you pay the minimum payment on all of your debts except for one. You put all your effort into making extra payments on the debt that has the smallest balance. That should be the fastest debt to pay off. Once you pay it off, you roll the money you had been paying towards that first debt and any extra money into paying off the next smallest debt. It's a snowball rolling down a mountain collecting snow so that the payments get bigger over time and the payoff of the debts accelerate. Let me show you an example of someone with nearly $18,000 in debt across 5 credit cards. We're going to enter that information into our debt calculator. Their total minimum monthly payment is currently $639. They think they can scrape together an extra $100 a month to pay down their debt. So we put $100 in this spot right here. Now we hit Calculate All Methods. The most obvious thing to notice is this insane red line. That is how long it will take them to pay off the debt if all they do is pay the minimum due payment on their credit cards. Their last payment would be 17 years and 1 month from now. 17 years. That's why you can't only pay the minimum. Looking down at the detail, we can see that they would end up paying $21,000 in interest over that time. That's the price of a used car. They would spend more on interest than the principal that they owe. Think of what they could do with that money. Let's now look at the snowball method and what it would do. In this graph, it's the green line. Let's look down at the detail. With the snowball method, they can have the debt completely paid off in 2 years and 6 months. Over that time, they would end up spending $6,279 in interest. That's a lot better than spending $21,000 on interest. If they wanted to supercharge the debt payoff, they could look into a debt consolidation loan. As you can see here at the top of the report, the average interest rate they pay across all of their credit cards is 24.3%. That means that consolidating the debt into a single loan would only be worthwhile if they were able to get an APR of 22.3% or lower. That orange line is what consolidation combined with aggressive extra payments would look like. If they were able to get that, they would still want to be aggressive about making extra principal payments. They would only get out of debt 1 month earlier than using just the snowball method alone, which doesn't seem like much. But looking below, you can see that they would save about $800 on interest over the 2.5 years. That's really the magic of a lower interest rate. Less of your monthly payment goes towards interest and more of it goes towards principal. If you think you might want to see what kind of a debt consolidation loan you could qualify for, you can click the Apply Now button. That takes you to our lending marketplace page. There you can select debt consolidation, the amount that you need, and your credit score range. When you apply to one of our featured lenders, we will check your rate with up to 40 other lenders behind the scenes. Our partners use a soft credit check, so applying won't hurt your credit score. We will show you all of your approved offers so you can pick the loan that's best for you. To find this debt payoff calculator, go to the yukonproject.com. Scroll down on the page until you find the calculator mentioned. That link will take you right to the page. We hope it will be a great resource for you to find the best plan for you to get out of debt. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us out, and we really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.